पाजी एक सॉन्ग है चोरनी, मुझे उसकी लेगेसी के बारे में बात करना।
What a special song.
उसमें सैम्पलिंग लता मंगेशकर
हाँ जी
का, सिद्धू मूसेवाला,
Yes.
ठीक है, एंड डिवाइन भाई।
Yes, rest in peace to Sidhu Moosewala, first of all. What an incredible artist. उसका again, I'll keep it in brief because the story इतनी लंबी है क्योंकि how it came about and so yeah, so that basically that sample was my idea.
Okay.
I had that song and I found some really interesting songs. So मैंने अपने two producers who I work closely with, Drugs Beats and Mix Many, the two producers of the song. So I've been working with Drugs for almost 10 years. I actually put out his beat tape, which ultimately then landed in the hands of Aftermath and Dr. Dre, and then he ended up producing a song for Dr. Dre and Kendrick Lamar on Compton, the Compton album. So मैं तब से उसको जानता हूँ. So he's a sample specialist. When I say sample specialist, he just knows how to chop samples and make interesting sounds out of it in a very, very hip hop way. So I thought that he would be able to do a really good job with these certain songs that I had access to from this Hindustan Records catalog. I was like, okay, because they told me, okay, anything that you sample, we'll be able to clear it for you easily, and there won't be a problem as long as the business is right. So I took that idea to Drugs and Mex. I'm like, this song and these kind of components of the song, this sounds like a great idea. So just make something and send it back to me. They sent something to me, and that batch had 3 or 4 beats.
Okay.
And उसमें से फिर ये वाली, उसमें एक और बीट थी जो एक बहुत बड़े अमेरिकन आर्टिस्ट को भी बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. Another beat in that batch, and she did not end up using that. I mean, I'm still hoping she just might someday, but this beat Divine loved. Again, जब उसने मुझे बना के भेजी थी, I suggested some changes, a little bit changes to the beat, and then they restructured and sent it to me. I shared it with Divine. He really liked it, but he didn't tell me that he loves this beat. So I had sent him a batch of beats when he was working on Gunegar.
Yeah.
Because he's like, I was helping him in A&R capacity. So, and this is actually before my gig at Mass Appeal, so I was already helping him with his album. So he loved the beat, and they were in the studio, Sidhu and Divine. Divine played it for Sidhu, and Sidhu instantly is like, this beat is crazy. So again, Sidhu being Sidhu, he wrote it very fast, completed the song, and I met Divine actually literally like an hour or so after they recorded, because I was waiting at the hotel.
Okay.
And Divine had done the session. तो वो session करके आए hotel, मैं hotel में मिला, and Divine said, I want to play something for you. So he played it, and when I first heard the song, and Sidhu's verse came through the speakers, first I goosebumps. I was like, this is crazy. So that's how the song came about. And then after that, obviously, we wanted to do like a big single launch for this, and first single from the album, and do a big thing with it. But obviously, unfortunately, Sidhu passed away, and फिर उसके बाद, of course, the family had to clear the song, and फिर वो सारा process था. And initially, though, Divine, obviously, was just not in the mood to even touch the song because he was so taken aback and so heartbroken because Divine का इतना अच्छा relationship था सिद्धू के साथ.
Yes.
So he was so heartbroken by the incident and by his death. तो पहले तो हमने गाना उसको छेड़ा ही नहीं, हमने साइड पे रख दिया कि we'll revisit and we'll see. Like obviously you can't go to the family 2 weeks later के गाना clear कर दो. वो खुद इतना they're mourning the loss of their son. तो फिर बाद में then we revisited, and the family knew के Sidhu loved this song and he would have loved to have this released out to the public. तो बस फिर हमने धीरे धीरे दोबारा काम करना शुरू किया, एंड फिर डिवाइन थोड़ा सा चेंजेस चाहते थे करना सॉन्ग अपने वर्स को, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली जो पहला वर्स था वो थोड़ा सा वो मैच नहीं कर रहा था इन वेक ऑफ हिज डेथ. सो दैट्स व्हाई ही वांटेड टू चेंज समथिंग बिकॉज ही वाज फीलिंग ऑड कि वो ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें बोल रहा है और सिद्धू हैज़ पास्ड अवे. सो ही वाज नॉट फीलिंग राइट अबाउट इट, एंड ही वांटेड टू मेक श्योर दैट ही रिस्पेक्ट्स हिज लेगेसी एंड रिस्पेक्ट्स द सॉन्ग such a great piece of art that he's given to the world. So bas karte karte, and then you know how it is when you release a song. People were like, oh, you changed the beat, क्योंकि जब उन्होंने original
प्ले किया था आई थिंक कॉन्सर्ट पे
sorry, but yeah, जब वो original जो play किया था, it was different. Not different in the, not like the the core of the beat wasn't changed, but there were a few changes to the beat. And most of those changes were relating to actually the mix and mastering thing, and this how the mix was placed, and some drums were changed, and एक दो snares उसको हमने कम कर दिया था, but fans had a very strong reaction to it, क्योंकि ऐसे ही होता है, आप एक बारी कुछ preview कर दो song, you get so attached to that version, आपको फिर वही version चाहिए. वो हमारे साथ भी होता है, you know, when we, जब हम अपने favorite artists के गाने सुनते हैं, and ये all these artists like Kanye के साथ कितनी बारी होता है कि वो कुछ sample के साथ कुछ play कर देता है और वो बाद में sample create नहीं होता है, and then fans कहते हैं हमें वही version चाहिए, और जब version आती है तो वो उसको या तो sample change हो जाता है और निकाल देता है, and then fans get mad. So it's the same thing. So fans इतने attach हो गए थे with that preview. Then we took that call, and Divine being Divine, people's champ, he's like, fans want the old version back. So, you know, he called me and he's like, Navjosh, isko yaar, fans kya karna chahiye? मैं कहा, it's entirely your call, but the fans seem disappointed, so let's give them what they want. And he's like, हाँ यार, ये करना चाहिए. You know, I can't disrespect fans like that and Sidhu's fans like that. So we whole night, entire that day, 20-hour work day is such a stressful time, but we sat on it, and you know, I got Max Many and Drugs on board from the US. We sat on a video call and we finished the song, and you know, I'm so blessed to have that opportunity to be working on a Divine and Sidhu collaboration as an A&R, and I've, you know, helped with the production, so that's a blessing. It doesn't get bigger than that.
Yes, that's why मैंने बोला ना कि वो song उसकी legacy अब
बिल्कुल
उसकी legacy इतनी बड़ी है कि you know पूरी
I'm
दुनिया में
grateful and honored that, you know, that Divine and Sidhu had that trust in me to
उनको बहुत special bond भी था.
बिल्कुल उन दोनों के बीच में इतना अच्छा relationship था, and Sidhu, you know, instantly loved the beat, and it's such a special beat, and I always knew that it's a very special beat which deserves to be released in a special manner, you know, with special artists. So
Yes.
I'm glad it worked out.
People will, you know, आगे की generation आएगी वो भी सुनेंगे, they will love our
I
legacy.
think it's one of Sidhu's best verses, just the way he comes in, and it's just incredible. What an incredible artist.
I agree with you.
Welcome.